Hello and welcome to our video on the weak nuclear force. Today, we'll be exploring the fundamental force that governs the behavior of matter in our universe. The weak nuclear force is responsible for a wide range of processes, including beta decay and energy production in the sun through fusion, as well as the dramatic phenomena of supernova explosions. So, let's dive in. The weak nuclear force, mediated by the exchange of W and Z bosons, is responsible for beta decay, which is the process by which a neutron inside a radioactive nucleus is converted into a proton, an electron, and an antineutrino. This process is crucial for maintaining the right balance of protons and neutrons in a nucleus and creating new elements in the universe. During beta decay, the neutron emits a W boson, a virtual particle that exists for a brief moment before decaying into an electron and an antineutrino. The emitted W boson interacts with the down quark in the neutron, causing it to transform into an up quark. At the same time, the W boson changes into an electron and an antineutrino. The up quark combines with the other quarks to form a proton, while the electron and antineutrino are ejected from the nucleus. The exchange of W bosons in beta decay is similar to the exchange of energy, momentum, and charge between particles during a collision. The role of bosons in the conversion of a neutron into a proton is to transfer energy and momentum between the neutron and the electron, as well as transfer charge between the neutron and the proton, resulting in the decay process. Unlike the strong nuclear force, which acts between nucleons in the nucleus, the weak nuclear force acts inside individual nucleons. This means that the weak nuclear force is even shorter range than the strong force. In conclusion, the weak nuclear force is the weakest of the four fundamental forces, but it is essential for the creation of new elements in the universe. It is produced by the exchange of W and Z bosons between nucleons, which turns a neutron into a proton during beta decay. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the weak nuclear force. Thank you for watching.